everyone. This is Robin. My husband Buddy is right beside me.
I'm playing with the bird.
He's playing with the bird.
She's a little grumpy
there.
this morning.
Yeah.
I'm over here messing with Nexus mods.
Yeah, he's messing with Nexus mods. I wish I had the stand, but I don't have the stand with me. Ah, god damn it. It still said Frag Punk.
Does it?
Yeah. I change it later. Yeah, has to show.
Proud of this mug.
Has to show off his mug. Has to show off his mug.
I had nearly enough coffee.
Yeah, that's Buddy. Buddy is just chilling. She was screaming and showing off earlier because of music, but yeah, we had to turn the music off due to copyright reasons. And you don't know if TikTok allows you to oh, that's all I get is a O, Buddy. Oh. Hopefully someone comes in to watch after a bit. Wait, what's Discord? Oh, that's why.
Like this.
There you go. I shared. Ow. Wow. Oh, really, Buddy? Sound like an old lady. Hey, Buddy, can I get a how you doing, Buddy? I just get a kiss. Buddy, a star, Buddy. So I can't play with her like my husband can play with her though, because
give me them drummies. Can you shake my feet? Can you shake hands?
Yeah, I can't play with her like my husband can, but
she's just holding on to my finger. She's not actually hurting me. Goober bird. Come here, drum.
Oh, she's like, stop it. She's like, stop it.
Love you, buddy.
She's
Can
like,
I get a kiss?